Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Section 179 expense. I figured it was good to go over it with the new One Big Beautiful Bill Act rules and the new deductions. You also hear about this a lot on social media, so I figured it's good to cover it. So, firstly, what it is, it's a tax code for business owners. It allows you to deduct the full cost, whereas usually you'd be depreciating something. So, it incentivizes you to buy property for your business. It must be qualifying property and it must be the year you bought it. So even if it's used property, as long as it's new property for your business, it qualifies. So how it works is, once again, it's new equipment for your business. You don't depreciate it over time. So you can write off the entire purchase up to a certain amount, and we're going to go over that later. And you get to save taxes while also investing in your future growth. So it works best when you maybe have high revenue and you're looking for deductions that benefits your business in the future. Here are three quick examples. It could be a programmer who buys computers for his office for 100,000. It can be an accountant like myself who buys office furniture for $20,000. And for the office furniture example, office furniture is usually a 5-year life property. And instead of doing 20,000 divided by 5 years and taking a 4,000 deduction per year, I can just deduct the full 20,000 up front if it looks like I'm going to have a good year and I'd rather reinvest in my business instead of pay Uncle Sam. And the final example is if a farmer buys new machinery for up to $300,000. So as you can see, the numbers can get pretty high. So that's what we're going to go into next. Some considerations are that it must be used at least 50% for business purposes. If you're going to use it 49% for business, it's not going to qualify. The maximum deduction limit with the new rules is 1.25 million in 2025. And there's going to be a dollar for dollar phase out limit at 3.13 million. If you buy qualified property worth 4.13 million, you can only deduct 250,000 because it's a dollar for dollar deduction. And you are completely phased out at those two numbers added up. So at 4.38 million, you are fully phased out and you can't use the Section 179 deduction. And once again, this only applies to tangible business property. So as a conclusion, it helps you save on your taxes. It actually rewards you for investing in your business. And as always, talk to a tax advisor just to make sure you're doing it right, to make sure that it's qualified property. And yeah, if you have any questions, please reach out to me.